number 9. Nanavati Limited of Junagadh issued 3 lakh equity shares of 10 each at a premium of 5 per share. Amount was called up as under. On application 4 per share. On allotment 8 per share including premium. On final call 3 per share. Company received application for 3,50,000 shares. Excess applications were rejected and money paid thereon was refunded to applicants. All the sum due were received in full except allotment on final call on 3,000 equity shares held by Ishida. Past journal entries in the books of companies. Okay. Total 3 lakh equity shares are issued, but they have got applications of 3,50,000. Price of per share is 10 rupees and premium is of 5 rupees. So total premium is called up at the time of allotment. So excess 50,000 shares were rejected and at the time of final call the price of 3,000 equity shares were not received. Journal entries in the books of Nanavati Limited. First, bank account debit to equity share application account credit. Total 3,50,000 applications are received. So 3,50,000 multiplied by 4 is 14 lakh. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital account credit and to bank account credit. 50,000 which was excess applications were rejected. So the money is also refunded. 50,000 multiplied by 4, 2 lakh is refunded and 3 lakh multiplied by 4, that is 12 lakh is transferred to capital account. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account and to security premium account. Okay, premium is of 5 rupees, so 3 lakh multiplied by 5, 15 lakh, 3 lakh multiplied by 3 is 9 lakh, total is 24 lakh. Bank account debit to call in arrears account debit and to equity share allotment account credit. Now here in question they have told the shares amount of 3,000 equity shares were not received at the time of allotment and a final call. So it is known as call in arrears which are not received. 3,000 shares are amount of 3,000 shares are not received. At the time of allotment they called for 8 rupees. So 3,000 multiplied by 8 is 24,000. 2,90,000 multiplied by 8 is 23,76,000. Total is 24 lakh. Equity share final account 3 lakh multiplied by 3 is 9 lakh. To equity share capital account and bank account debit to call in arrears account debit to equity share final call account credit. At the time of final call the price amount is of 3 rupees per share. So 3,000 multiplied by 3 is 9,000. 2,97,000 multiplied by 3 is 8,91,000. Total is 9 lakh. So your total amount is of 94. Total of both the side is 94 lakh. Sum number 10. Valamonov Limited of Dhanduka issued 4 lakh equity shares of 10 each at a premium of 60 per share. Amount was called up per share as under. On application 23 including premium 20 means 20 rupees premium and 3 rupees share. On allotment 34 30 rupees premium and 4 rupees share. And on final call 10 rupees premium and 3 rupees share. Company received applications of 6 lakh shares. Excess applications were rejected and money paid thereon was refunded. Amount due on allotment and final call were called up in time. All amounts during allotment and call were received except allotment and final call money. On 500 shares held by the Himmat Bhai and final call money on 3,000 held by Hima. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of company for above transactions. First, Applications were received of 6 lakh shares. So at the time of application, they have received amount 6 lakh multiplied by 3, that is 1 crore 38 lakh. Bank account debit to equity share application account credit 1 crore 38 lakh. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital account credit, to security premium account credit, and to bank account credit. Okay. So whichever amount means 2 lakh shares are excess, 2 lakh applications are excess, so that we have to refund. 2 lakh multiplied by 23 is 46 lakh. Security premium is of 20 rupees, so 4 lakh multiplied by 20 is 80 lakh. And 4 lakh multiplied by 3, that is per share amount 3, is 12 lakh. Total is 1 crore 38 lakh. To equity share allotment account debit, to equity share capital account, and to security premium account. Yeah, 4 lakh shares are there, and security premium is of 30 rupees. 4 lakh multiplied by 4, 16 lakh, and 4 lakh multiplied by 30 is 1 crore 20 lakh. Total is 1 crore 36 lakh. Bank account debit to call in arrears account debit, to equity share allotment account credit. Now here they are told all amounts during allotment and call are received except allotment and final call money on 500 shares held by Himmat Bhai. Okay, 500 shares held by Himmat Bhai. So 500 multiplied by 34 is 17,000. Okay, and a 3 lakh, 4 lakh minus 500, it will be 3 lakh 99,500 multiplied by 34 is 1 crore 35 lakh 83,000. Total is 1 crore 36 lakh. Equity share final call account debit, to equity share capital account credit, and to security premium account credit. 4 lakh multiplied 10 is 40 lakh, and here 4 lakh multiplied by 3 is 12 lakh. Total is 52 lakh. Bank account debit to call in arrears account debit, and to equity share final call account credit. Total of Himmat Bhai and Hima 500 plus 300 share means 800 multiplied by 13 is 10,400. Bank account 4 lakh minus 800, it will be 3 lakh 99,200 multiplied by 13 is 51 lakh 89,600. So to equity share final call account 52 lakh. Total is 6 crore and 52 lakhs of both the sides. Sum number 11. Authorized capital of Mansuri Limited of Dahod was 7 lakh equity shares of 10 each, and on 4th July 2017 company issued 4,50,000 equity shares at a premium of 16 lakh for a public subscription. Amount was called up there as under. Share as under. On 4th July 2017, rupees 10 per share, including premium of 6 per share with application. 4th July 2017, 14 per share, including premium of 10 per share with allotment, and on 4th September 2017, 2 per share with first and final call. The subscription was closed on 6th July 2017 as it was fully subscribed. Board of Directors allot all these shares of share applications. Abdul holding 600 shares did not pay money due on allotment and first call and final call where Harun holding 400 shares had not paid first and final call. Except this, all the sums due were received by the following dates. Shares allotment money by 7th August 2017. Share first and final call money by 7th September 2017. Pass necessary journal entries except for cash in the books of company for the above transactions and also prepare bank account. Means here they are telling that there is no need of writing transactions of bank. We have to write only transactions of applications, allotment and first and final call, and about call in arrears. No transactions of cash or bank is needed, but we have to prepare cash books in the books of company. Authorized capital is 7 lakh, but company have issued shares of rupees for shares 4,50,000 shares. So equity share application account to equity share capital and to security premium account credit. So security premium is of 6 rupees. So 4,50,000 multiplied by 6 is 27 lakh, and 4,50,000 multiplied by 4 is 18 lakh. Total will be 45 lakh. To equity share allotment account, to equity share capital and to security premium account. 4,50,000 multiplied by 10 is 45 lakh, and 4,50,000 multiplied by 4 is 18 lakh. Total is 63 lakh. Now they are telling that at the time of allotment, amount of 600 shares were not received. So call in arrears account debit to equity share allotment account credit. At the time of allotment, they have called for 14 rupees per share. So 600 multiplied by 14 is 8400. Equity share first and final call account debit to equity share capital. Now total 4,50,000 shares are there. So 4,50,000 multiplied by 2 is 9 lakh. And at the time of final call, first and final call, they didn't receive the amount of 400 shares of Harun and 600 shares of Abdul. So total 1000 shares amount they have not received. And at that time they have called for 2 per share. So 1000 multiplied by is 2000. Total is 1 crore. Total of both the side is 1 crore 17 lakh 10,400. Now we have to prepare cash book. Equity share application account is of 45 lakh. Afterwards allotment of 62 lakh 91,600. Okay. Here we are not prepared about bank transactions, but if transaction will be there, then bank account debit to call in arrears account debit and to equity share allotment account credit. So 4,49,400 multiplied by 14. Here 4,50,000 minus 600 will be 4,49,400 multiplied by 14 is 62,91,600. And here also 4,49,400 multiplied by 2 is 8,98,000.